Mathematics tutorial with Johnny.
Whenever we have tan 120 degrees, it is equals to minus tan into 180 minus 60, minus 120 degrees. So that tan 120 degrees is the same thing as minus tan 60 degrees. So it therefore means that if I'm working in mathematics and I have tan 120, and 120 is not in the special angle, so we have to find a way to get it. So we use this identity. That means that tan 120 is the same thing as minus tan 60 degrees. Then you now go to the special angle to find out what tan 60 is. So this will be equals to minus tan 60. This is 60. Tan is opposite over adjacent. So the opposite is root 3. The adjacent is 1, which is root 3 over 1. And that will give us root 3. That is the final answer. So that's exactly how to deal with this. That is the second quadrant. Now let's move over to the third quadrant. In the third quadrant, this is the identity you must have at your fingertip. It is sin theta in the third quadrant will be, in the third quadrant, sine is negative, cos is negative, only tan is positive. So I'm going to have minus sine into theta minus 180 degrees. Don't forget that second quadrant of sin theta was sine into 180 minus theta. But in the third quadrant, it is sine into theta minus 180. Or we can use minus sine into 180 plus theta. I'll show us how to use that. For now, let's focus on 1. So that is sine theta. Cos theta is, cos is negative. So you have minus cos into theta minus 180. And then tan theta is positive, which is tan into theta minus 180. So these are the identities we need to know in the third quadrant. So that means that if I have sine 210 degrees, you know that 210 degrees is not in the special angle. So what do? You have to go to this identity and find the equivalent of it. So what I do is that I'm going to have sine 210 degrees is equals to, it is minus, so I have minus sine into, what is theta? Theta is 210 degrees. So I'll write 210 minus 180. Well, I put 210 here minus 180. So this is equals to minus sine into 210 minus 180 is 30 degrees. Now, what is sine 30 degrees in the special angle?